This is an example of mummified fruit. We talk about the importance of removing mummified fruit from plants going into the winter a lot, and this is an example of mummified blackberries. Not caused by an insect or disease, caused by a human. The old weed eater. So folks, be careful with weed eaters around plants that are precious to you, especially those that have fruit that you can eat. These need to be removed. You don't have to pick them off. Luckily, you don't have to pick them off one by one, because we will remove the dead cane, the entire dead cane, and we'll be very careful not to pull any of them off and let them fall to the ground. If any of them fall to the ground, we'll pick those up too and remove them. But don't need to go into the winter with these, because they can harbor fungal bad organisms, and we need to get rid of them. Burn them, put them in the trash. Don't put them in your compost pile.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.